Mom, what are you doing?
I've been waiting for you for over an hour. My tile and grout is filthy. I went on YouTube and watched all the videos on all this product to try to get my grout clean and nothing works.
All right. I'm going to teach you and my mom how to clean your tile and grout without getting on your hands and knees. Stay tuned.
So Ryan, I went on YouTube and they told me to try all these products and mix all these concoctions together to try to clean your tile and grout and use my toothbrush and get on my hands and knees. None of it is working.
Yeah, of course not. None of this stuff is designed for tile and grout. So I went online and I bought us a 2-bottle kit of Grout-eez. It came with a stand-up grout brush so you don't have to get on your hands and knees anymore. It's tapered in the middle to get down into the grout.
Awesome, let's do this.
All right. Mom, this is all you need. A standard broom pole, the grout brush that comes with the kit. It just screws directly on there.
Wow.
You hold that, please. A regular mop, some hot water, and your bottle of Grout-eez.
That's all I needed?
Yep.
Let's get started.
All right. All right, we got our Grout-eez here. It's got a nice flip top to make it easy to apply to the grout lines. And they recommend doing about 4 to 6 square feet at a time.
Awesome, and you didn't even have to get down on your hands and knees, but you did get it on my tile. Is that going to ruin my tile?
No, it's made for ceramic and porcelain tile, but you do want to make sure to get it into the grout lines. So just kind of use your grout brush and move it into the grout lines. Once they're all covered, just wait about 5 to 10 minutes. As long as it's wet, it's still working. So if you go a little over 10 minutes, it's not a big deal, and it should come right up.
Awesome.
All right, it's been about 5 to 6 minutes, and now we're just going to lightly agitate all of the grout lines. These floors are filthy. I don't think we've done these in years.
No, we haven't. I was too busy raising you.
Uh-huh.
It doesn't look like you're using a lot of pressure. Do you have to use a lot of pressure when you're using the grout brush?
No, you don't. Here, you want to give it a go?
Absolutely. Am I doing it right?
Yep, that's it.
And you know what? I'm kind of noticing the tile is a little bit dirty too. Can I put this on the tile?
Yeah, it's designed for ceramic and porcelain tile. So you just want to turn this sideways and kind of scrub each tile or just where you see some dirt on there, and it'll come right up.
Oh, nice.
Yep. And then once we finish this, scrubbing these lines, let me just get this a little better. And here you go. You want to hold that?
Thank you.
We're just going to grab our mop with the hot water, wring that out, and just clean up the floor.
Nice. Now, I'm noticing as you're doing that, it still looks dirty. It doesn't look like it came clean. How come?
That's just because the grout is still wet. So it could take up to 24 hours to dry, and then it'll bring it back to its original color. It won't turn it white or anything. It'll just clean it up back to its original color, which here looks like a light tan.
Beautiful. Wow, Ryan, look at the area by the stove. That's really, really dark compared to the rest of the floor.
Yeah, that's just because the grease and things like that are harder to get out. But since we hit it again with the Grout-eez, if you see right there, it just came right out. It wasn't even an issue for it.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yep. And, you know, the harder areas, sometimes you have to do twice.
Okay. Wow, I cannot believe how great this floor looks. Look at this. And just in time for the party. And I didn't have to get on my hands and knees. We did this whole floor in 20 minutes. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Ryan.
Yep, no problem. I told you there are easier ways to do this. It didn't take any time at all.
Love it. For more information, you can go to our website at groutinfo.com. We also can purchase our products on amazon.com.
And go like us on Facebook at Ask the Floor Guys. We have tips and tricks on there. And subscribe down below. We'll have more videos.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.